We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Friends, good morning. Myself, Hiren Mistry, Senior Lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, NG Patel Polytechnic, Tajpur Campus, Bardoli. Now, today I am going to explain that how can we draw a tangent and normal to our conic sections like ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. So, let us consider a numerical that what is given to us to draw tangent and normal to the curve from a point Q. So here AB is our directrix, V is vertex, F is focus and the curve is given which is our ellipse. So how can we draw a tangent and normal to this curve? So let us start with first step, that first of all we consider one point Q on this curve which is known as ellipse. Now we join this point Q to F which is our focus. Now construct 90-degree angle with this line at point F. Extend the line to meet directrix at one point which is T. Now join this point to Q and extend. This is tangent to ellipse from Q. To this tangent, draw one perpendicular line from Q. It is normal to our curve. So, in this manner, we can draw a tangent TT and normal NN to our curve known as ellipse. Now let us consider another conic section which is known as parabola. So in numerical, what is given, that to draw tangent and normal to the curve from a given point Q. So here let us consider a curve which is known as parabola. So further here vertical line AB is our directrix, V is vertex, F is focus. So procedure is same as that of ellipse. So first of all, let us consider one point on a curve which is known as parabola. So we mention this point as a Q. Now we join this point Q with focus F. From focus, construct 90-degree angle with this line at point F. Extend the line to meet directrix. So it cuts the directrix AB at point T. Now join this point T to Q and extend it. This is tangent to the curve from Q. To this tangent, draw perpendicular line from Q. It is normal to our curve. So here TT is our tangent to parabola and NN is our normal to parabola. Now third conic section is hyperbola. So how can we draw tangent and normal to this hyperbola curve? So let us consider a curve. Name of curve is hyperbola. Point AB is directrix, V is vertex, F is focus. So procedure is same that let us consider one point on our curve. Give name of a point which is Q. Now join this point Q to F. Construct 90-degree angle with this line at point F. Now extend the line to meet directrix. It cuts the directrix at point T. Join this point T to Q and extend. So this is tangent to curve from Q. To this tangent, draw perpendicular line from Q, which is known as normal to our curve hyperbola. So here NN is normal and TT is tangent to hyperbola. Thank you.